Welcome to ShopSabre Minutes. I'm Brandon Bombardo. Today, let's tackle a question that I've been hearing more lately. Why doesn't every ShopSabre machine require someone on site? Now, before we answer that question, let's understand how CNC machines are usually sold. You can typically buy them through three options: direct from the manufacturer, through a dealer or a reseller, or used on a private party sale. Used machines have their own risks, and we'll save that for another day. Today, let's focus on direct from the manufacturer, like ShopSabre, and dealer reseller sales, which is how most of our competitors operate. The reason many companies go through dealers or resellers is simple. They don't actually manufacture much, if anything. Often they buy a complete or partially complete machine, do a little assembly like attaching the gantry or hooking up the controller, and then ship it to you. It's cheaper for them, simplifies their workflow, and gives them a product that they can sell for profit. So why include on-site setup? Well, this is usually so that they can calibrate and prep the machine upon arrival. And often the person showing up isn't a factory direct tech. They're a third-party affiliate paid to represent the seller, but without direct factory ties. In the end, they've bought the machine for less, marked it up for profit, and shipped it to you, the same machine you could have purchased direct. The on-site cost? You're already paying for it. It's baked into the price. Here at ShopSabre, we do it all in-house. We design, engineer, build, paint, wire, assemble, and test every machine under one roof. Because we control the process, we've simplified the installation process, removing extra steps, doing more upfront, and avoiding overcomplicated setups that ultimately slow you down. With today's technology, on-site for every install just isn't needed. Our trained staff can log in remotely, run diagnostics, and train you in real time. This is going to save you time, save you money, and that means that you're not waiting for someone to travel to you. The harder we make the startup process, the less enjoyable the experience. Therefore, we've removed the headaches so that you can get running faster and with more confidence. Now, for small volume brands, on-site might make sense. But with ShopSabre's popularity and volume, sending a tech to every install would slow you down. We've streamlined the process so that most of our customers can power up and run the same day of arrival. Though if you need someone on site, we have traveling technicians available for special case-by-case scenarios. But our goal is to always minimize your expenses and maximize your results. Therefore, this is why with every machine, you get access to our private user group, Sabre Nation University with continuous education and tutorials, and our free training at ShopSabre's Minnesota facility, which you can use now or later if your staffing needs change. Your only cost? The travel, which is much less than paying for a tech on site. Here's the difference. We don't sell through high markup dealers. We don't import low support machines, and we don't design systems that are overly complex that require days of training. Because we build them in the US, our support team works alongside the engineers and the builders, so that when you call, you're talking to the factory direct experts. Some competitors promise to be on site for days, but will the tech actually arrive with the machine? And at what hidden costs? We'd rather invest in better quality equipment up front, advanced remote support, and a process that gets you running sooner with more confidence. Most of the time, we don't need to be on site at all. When we are, it's rarely more than a day. Our machines leave here fully tested and calibrated, so you can drop them in place, hook up the utilities, and get cutting the same day. If a machine needs days of setup, what happens when you're ready to hire someone else later on? We'd rather make it easy from the start. At ShopSabre, you're buying more than a machine. You're buying a better experience. We understand your needs, quote the right solution, build it, and back it with the best support in the industry. There's no middleman. Factory direct support, start to finish. If you're in the market for a CNC machine, you need to give us a call. We'll get you the precision, consistency, and longevity that you're after. But don't take my word for it. Here's what some real customers have to say. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre Minute. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and we'll see you in the next video.